Good morning, BBs from Sydney, Bondi. I have my laundry day. I have run on the Bondi. It's amazing to be here because I remember also to be here when I've been here 4 years ago. BBs, I organized my car and here's a 2P park area, and look what they do to check how long I am here. It's 12:30. Then I move to another place and make this way. Everything is so fresh and so clean, and all my clothes, I recognize how much I have. I think I have more than in Germany. Look at this. Everything is not like that. Yeah, my car is my clothing box to go. Here's a place in Sydney where you can park for free, and I try to sleep here because I tried to sleep on the couch but I can't. I slept 1.5 hours and I'm so tired. I will go around to see how is the street and then have a sleep. I get a small snack salad. This is with pear, rocket, feta, dried tomato and walnut. And by the way, I lose 7 kilograms since I'm back on the road. Nora shows the new trend of the mask. You can wear it like that.
It's a mask for my vagina. Safety first. Yeah, so really nice. Huh?
A sexy mask.
It's
Wow.
a really nice mask. For behind and the front.
The time is flying, oh my god, so fast. And I'm now in front of the house. It's not allowed, but I hope no one will see me that I sleep in my car, because I can't sleep in the room. I tried, but I can't, and I need to manage and handling my problem with to sleep. That's why I'm here, and let's see how the night will going be. And yeah, good night, babies.